Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to energy save mode on Samsung Galaxy A3 from 2017. So, to energy save mode, we have to hold the power button, and as soon as the Samsung... But wait a moment, we have to first turn the phone off. I forgot about that. We have to hold the power button, and as soon as the Samsung Galaxy A3 logo appears, we have to immediately press and hold the volume down button. So now power button, and now volume down button. I don't know if I did press this button correctly and on time. I don't think so. We have to hold the volume down button until we see our phone boots. And as you can see, we did it correctly. Our phone is now in the safe mode. And that's how you enter the safe mode. Here, and only the system application works, and the third-party application don't work. That's it. Hope it helps, and have a nice day. Goodbye.